Is that blocks? Ooh, that purple one's sparkly. And when there's sparkles, there's magic. Let's start with the blue box. How do we open it? There might be a zipper. Wait, I know! The way to every Labubu's heart is the ears. Ouch! Whatever's inside has got teeth. It's another Labubu! Let's give it a treat. And those choppers are extra smart. Aw, who's a good Labubu? You are. Why, they're so smart, they can walk themselves. We've earned a treat, like Labubu ice cream. Guess we've got to make it ourselves. Well, that's one way of getting ingredients. Snader, though I was in the mood for vanilla. But I'll just tell myself it's Tutti Frutti. Just kidding. You don't eat it, you play with it. Or use it to decorate a pen. And on top, it's a Labubu pencil topper. Hang in there, baby. And look, you can even write with it. Granted, it is a pen, but you look cool doing it. Oh, everyone's a critic. What's in there anyway? So, who's up for Labubus on ice? Looks like we gotta heat things up. And this chili pepper is just what we need. Let's hope this Labubu isn't dry clean only. Oh, all better. Let's show off your fur coat. Hey, you've earned your first key. Let's use it. We're on our way. Let's check out the green box. Ooh, it comes with a surprise. Fresh slime. This stuff sure is squishy. And it's in good company, because it comes with an even stretchier Labubu. This little elf will always stick with you. So let's give you something special. Glitter. Now you're ready to hit the dance floor. You'll be the belle of the ball, as in the disco ball. But first, it's time for a little more squeezing. Careful, you might just knock them back into shape. Oh well, if you still want something squishy, we can whip up some special Labubu slime. Well, it's time to get cooking. It's simple. Mix powder and water. Of course, you can add toppings. And remember, this stuff is stirred, not shaken. Blend until it's Kermit the Frog green. Now let's put the Labubu in Labubu slime. And there's no such thing as too much glitter. Of course, the real test is how it stretches. Let's see what else is in here. Ooh, a Labubu mold. Ooh, gummy bears. They're so cute. Let's melt them. Gotta love the way it all bubbles up. Before it dries, pour it into the mold. Now's the time to let it congeal. Oh, this gummy is almost too cute to eat. Move over, cheese pulls. That stretch really makes the taste last. And don't forget, this box also comes with a key. This next box looks white until you turn off the lights.
Yes!
And it's not the only thing that glows in the dark. I wonder what tricks you can do with it. Talk about in one ear and out the other. Now you see it, now you don't. What else is in here? Wow! Special glowing Labubu drinks! Pick your favorite flavor, or should I say, color. I'm assuming orange tastes like orange, and I'm guessing blue tastes like blue? Seems like there's a bit of an aftertaste. Wow, Labubus really help light up the night. Is it night, or did we forget to pay the light bill? Either way, the Labubu show is just getting started. Wow, we even get a pair of 3D glasses. Put them on and see what happens. You get 2 Labubus for the price of 1. Of course, the real star of the show is our next key. Next up, we get to check out the sparkly box. There must be something extra special in here. Wow, Labubu treats! I hear you can't stop at just one. It's Labubu donuts and cake pops. Have a bite. They won't eat themselves, even if they have teeth. Good. Now let's give one of those donuts a try. I wonder if it's got any cream filling. Just be careful with eating all that sugar. It's not good for your skin or your teeth.
Oops.
But the box has got something to help you out. Try out these cute little Labubu pimple patches. You look better already. Now for those teeth. We've got something special for that too. Labubu toothpaste! These monster elves know that brushing is important. After all, they're always showing off their teeth. See? Now doesn't that feel better? Also seems like it's time to ditch those patches. Wow! You look as fresh as a new Labubu. But let's see what else is in the box. Ooh, this looks interesting. It's a Labubu makeup kit. Oh, so colorful. And it even comes with Labubu stencils. Grab a makeup brush and try it out. Why don't we try it out in all sorts of colors? Wow, Labubus never looked better. Or toy. Look, it's an animal game book. Ooh, come into my parlor, said Ratty. Good idea. Let's free Spider Rad's lunch. Ratty must be using extra strength webbing. Ooh, looks like there's a worm in here. What's in here? It's a bunny, but where's the rest of it? Don't worry, we can fix you up. Guess we had spare spider parts. He's still kind of a mess. Let's check out how messy he really is. Ooh, bugs! Okay, it's squishing time. You know, I don't like the look of that amoeba either. Aw, soon it's a cute baby bunny again. Wow, Never saw a star-nosed penguin before. Okay, this job is gonna take a net. Hold on, this penguin's gonna be a mommy. Let's give her a helping hand. Aw, happy birthday, little penguin. And that's not all. We've got triplets. But I think these eggs could use a good scratch. And just like that, they're Easter ready. Next up, the new mama could use some treatment. Ooh, it looks like a 24-hour bug. All better now. Now let's keep your babies warm. Happy birthday! Again! Oren, Simon, and a baby penguin. Just what we need. Next up. Ooh, this guy would scare King Kong. It looks like we need to solve the banana maze. A toy ball is the best way to get the good times rolling. Yes! We got the first banana! And soon enough, we'll get number 2. But remember, we need 3. 3rd time's the charm. The magic banana! This should help. A coin? I know! We can use it to play this game. It's filled with all of our sprunky friends. Hold on, one of these guys is not like the others. Now this is just the gorilla we need. Wow, lions, tigers, and sprunkies, oh my! Let's give them a quick scan to be safe. Ooh, there's something off about that lion. Now this guy's a real chimera. But he's still no match for our lasso. This isn't what people usually mean by earworms. Now you might feel a slight pinch. Let's take care of those chompers. Don't worry about those extra arms. See? They practically take care of themselves. Now that's our king of the forest. Careful, something wicked this way comes. Take a look inside this paper craft. Or maybe not. It's kind of spooky. It escaped. It looks like the hippo. Okay, time for whack-a-mole, but with a hippo. Oh, just don't hurt any of the other animals. There he is! Oh no! Not the elephant! I know. Play coy. He's off guard. Attack! Now that he's out cold, we've earned a break. So, how about a little fishing trip? And while we're at it, we're cleaning up the ocean. You know, fresh fish is good for you. But maybe this can could help too. Good. He coughed up that bug that's been going around. Now this hippo's joining the collection. It's Mr. and Miss Tree and a spooky giraffe. The trees would run, but they've got roots here. But I think you guys could be real close. Just need to spend some time together. Just kidding. We're fixing this giraffe piece by piece. Stack them up. And make a few switches. Soon we'll have a healthy baby giraffe all over again. And he's the final animal friend we need. It's the antidote, just what the first giraffe needs. His shadow's looking better already. And look, it's another one of those bugs. Okay, you're off for good behavior. A day at the zoo's always an adventure.